Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to add your USDC to your Metamask, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to add some funds into your USDC. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a video you're going to be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we move ahead, I want you to understand that one of the best ways that you can have a particular contract address for a particular token is on CoinMarketCap, because that is where any legit and particular coins contract address is always placed, is always listed. All right, so we are going to be making use of our CoinMarketCap. So let's head over to our CoinMarketCap quickly. So here's our CoinMarketCap right now. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to type the name of the coin. So since we want to be adding our USDC to the Metamask, we are going to type USDC right here on CoinMarketCap so that we can get the particular contract address. So we'll come over here and just type USDC right there. Type USDC. While you're doing this, ensure that your network is stable, okay? So you type USDC and allow it load. So here is USDC and here is the first one right here. We tap on it. Then after typing on it, it's going to take you to this page right here. So when it takes you to this page, you see USDC right here. You see USDC right here. So we'll draw this to the right. All right. We'll draw this to the right. So you drag it to the right and come over to where we have your about. You can see here we have about. So you tap on it. After typing on it, it's going to take you to this new section over here. Just scroll down a little bit to where we have the contract address right here. So we tap on this. After typing on it, now you can see the various networks that we have under the USDC ecosystems. Right? We have the Ethereum still under the USDC. We have the Viction, we have the BNB Smart Chain, we have the Solana Smart Chain, we have the Algorand, and the rest of them still under the USDC ecosystem. All right. So we want to be making use of the Ethereum chain. All right. We're gonna be making use of the Ethereum chain for the sake of this video. So we will just click over here and copy the contract address, and also note that this logo here, this Trust Wallet logo and this Metamask logo here indicate that you can import them automatically into any of they are supported into any of the wallets. So you can just go there and import them automatically. All right. So that's just one thing you need to know. So I'll come over here and just click on that, copy right there. Then we'll head over to, in this case, we are going to be making use of our Metamask. All right. So I'll just go to my Metamask right now, and after clicking on that copy button right here, you copy it, you tap on it and copy it, and then you can see contract address copied. So let's head over to our Metamask and go and import our Ethereum chain right there. What you are gonna be doing after copying that contract address from the CoinMarketCap, you now head back into your Metamask, and then the first thing you have to be doing is to ensure that this is turned over to the Ethereum. Since you want to import the Ethereum USDC, all right, because since we want to import the USDC that is on the Ethereum network, then we have to always come here and change this over to Ethereum. Normally by default it's always on Ethereum, but if the logo here is BNB, then you have to ensure that it is showing this correct Ethereum logo right here. So in case it's on BNB, then just tap on this. Just tap on it, and then always ensure that it is right here. Any contract address you want to import right in the Ethereum mainnet should always be changed here on Metamask to Ethereum. I hope that is clear enough. In case you tap on it and it is showing this BNB or this OP mainnet, since you want to import a contract address that is not built on the OP mainnet but built on the Ethereum mainnet, then you have to always switch it on to Ethereum. Alright, you have to always ensure that it is turned on to Ethereum. So now it's on the Ethereum network. Now you just tap on it just to be sure, and then just as a reminder, whenever you see this and it's showing this Ethereum here, then know that you are good to go. Alright, so we'll now paste that Ethereum USDC contract address that we copied from our CoinMarketCap right here in the import section. So we tap on that import token, and then it will take us to this page right here. Then we come here and paste that address, that contract address right here. Then after pasting it, you let it load. Alright, you can see here that the USDC has been imported successfully, and the mainnet of which this USDC is imported right now, you can see it already here, is the Ethereum. So we are good to go. You just come over here and tap on this to add it automatically. You can see here that this one has already been highlighted right here. So I just tap on this, and then I'll click on import right here. You click on it, then automatically it has been imported. You can see USDC has been imported to our MetaMask. So that is how you go about the whole process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a video, you're going to be updated. And also, if you have any question, drop it at the comment section and reply in 5 minutes. And do your best to join our WhatsApp and Telegram group so that you can be updated whenever any latest features regarding MetaMask occur. See you in the next video.